Hey, this is Gerard Braud, your CNN iReporter evangelist with tutorial number 8 on how to be a good iReporter, again geared toward public information officers and spokespeople. Today I want to talk about the importance of realizing that you can file a series of short reports that show before, during, and after, what I call the classic compare and contrast story. If you look through my profile and look at the videos that I filed during Hurricane Isaac in 2012, you're going to see that I predicted what would happen. So I showed you the before. I then showed you what was happening during the event, and then I showed you the aftermath. The first reports were filed way out on the shores of Lake Pontchartrain. This is Lake Pontchartrain that you see here. It's the lake that flooded New Orleans during Hurricane Katrina. And in our little town north of New Orleans, the water simply overflows. There are no levees to break. It's an open seawall. But because I started my first report out there, it predicted what was going to happen. That got the attention of the iReporter producers. That then got the attention of HLN, and Evening Express asked me to recreate that live on the air, standing here on the front porch with my iPhone and no electricity, again predicting what would happen. On day 2, just as I predicted, the yard was full of water. We had 7 feet of water over all of this green grass here. That was story number 2 in the heart of the hurricane. Again, I filed iReports in HLN, and the Dr. Drew Show then asked me to do live reports using just my cell phone. And then for the next 3 days after the floodwaters had left, I was able to file a series of reports showing the aftermath. It is classic good storytelling to show before, during, and after. So if you're going to file iReports, think in terms of filing several iReports that provide that whole narrative and that whole compare and contrast. This is Gerard Braud, your CNN iReporter evangelist.